guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you are new. If you would, please consider hitting the subscribe button and join us as part of our YouTube family. Today's video is going to be 5 things I do to keep my home clean and tidy. Hey guys, today's video is 5 things that I do to help me keep a clean and tidy home. I am not saying that these are things that you absolutely have to do, but these are just things that I have found help me keep my home clean and tidy. I've jotted them down to help me kind of keep track of what I'm saying. And number 1 is everything in my home has a home. And what that means is that every little object in my home has a home of its own. It has a designated space where it goes when I am done with it. So when I come in from the mailbox, my mail goes directly where my mail is supposed to go instead of me just coming in the home and laying it down wherever I just feel like it. Because to me, wherever you lay it, it's going to stay there most of the time. So that's just one thing that helps me is everything in my home has a home. So everything in my home has a designated space. Number 2, I wipe my bathroom while I'm in there. And so that just means while I'm brushing my teeth, washing my face, washing my hands, I clean the sink, make sure there's no hair on it. I make sure there's no toothpaste in there. I make sure my faucet is clean and sparkling. And that's the same with my shower or my bathtub. I always make sure I rinse my bathtub and my showers out while I'm in there. So when I come out, they're not dusty, there's no hair, they don't look dirty. Even though they're not sanitized, they're not looking dirty. It literally takes like 2 seconds to do this because you're already in there, you're already doing what you're doing. It's not that you're taking extra time, and it's not like you're actually cleaning those items. You're just wiping them down to make them look like they are clean. Number 3, we don't wear our shoes in our home. I grew up not wearing shoes in my home and just have implemented that into my own home because if you think about it, you wore those shoes out into the public, you wore them where there has been no telling what on the ground, and you are bringing those dirt and grime and germs into your home when you are wearing those shoes in your house. So this just helps keep all that dust and dirt and gross germs from being on your floors. Number 4, we make our beds every morning. This was another thing that I implemented from my childhood. This is just helps make your house look clean even if it's not. It makes it look not messy, and it helps just make your space look fresh. Number 5, I don't go to bed with a mess. If my house is messy, if there's toys everywhere, if my pillows are on the floor, whatever it may be, I always make sure that my house looks put together and clean and fresh before I go to bed. This way, when I wake up, it's clean. I don't have to worry about anything, and it just looks so much better. So that is 5 things that I do that I found help keep my home clean and tidy. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this way. Not everybody has to do it my way. I'm just saying that these are things that have helped me that may help you somehow if you want to implement them into your home. This is just something that we do, and it has helped tremendously, not only making my house look clean and tidy, but also when it comes time to clean my home, I don't have a huge mess to clean up. I don't have a huge pile of mail or toys or whatever it may be that isn't in its area. It also helps just make sure that when somebody, well, nobody would just pop by now, but before, when you were able to go places, if somebody just popped in, to them, my house would look clean and put together even if it wasn't actually cleaned with products. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Please like, comment,